such a long time, I've realized that I love dark chocolate right now. Chocolate is like one of my things. I have no willpower when it comes to not eating chocolate if it's in front of me. But since I don't have sugar, I can only eat dark chocolate. You give me a milk chocolate now and I'm like, I can't do this, it's too sweet for life. So yeah, so no sugar, no salt, and keep your last meal your dinner. Do I measure my protein intake? No, but my mom does. She always asks me every morning, what is your protein intake for today? And I'm like, I really don't know, mom. And I know that she's decided that no matter what, she will add either chicken or fish or paneer or something to my diet. So she makes sure she's keeping a tab of my protein intake. Yeah, I eat every 2 hours, not even every 3 hours. I'm one of those who eats every 2 hours, and I make sure 2.5 hours I have to have something. Yeah, I like to, like I said in the beginning, portion control. But firstly, as much as I wish I could eat everything and just work out, it doesn't work. Like they say, 70% is what you eat and 30% is your fitness. Also, I think fitness, when we say working out, more than just losing weight, it really is your stamina, fitness, all of that, which is much more important, that we should actually focus on. Many times I tell myself that maybe if I just ate light today, I won't have to go to the gym. But then again, as I said, it's really important for fitness more than anything else, for building our stamina. I realized that many times we shoot 12 hours a day, and of those 12 hours, if it's a song shoot, you're literally on sometimes 3 hours of sleep, you have 8 hours of rehearsal, 12 hours of shoot. There's just, your body needs to adapt to that, and I think the best thing to do is then in your free time to build up on that stamina so that you can survive those long hours. So anyway, this is just my input. But yeah, if you're if it's all about just losing weight, then think again, because what really matters is what's in the long run. So be fit. How do I keep myself motivated? Sometimes at night on Instagram, I love seeing these Be Fit videos, and I wake up thinking I'm going to do all this tomorrow at the gym. And then when I wake up in the morning, I think, do I really want to do all that at the gym? Then I go back to those Instagram videos. And anyway, basically I think all social media, one of the good things about social media is these really cool videos that people put up. And it's great because even if you don't have a trainer, I think just going by those videos, and if you trained before at the gym, you can really copy what they do, and they do some different exciting things which are...
Do something that is conducive and you're able to follow it. Strict no. I completely avoid all things white. Essentially, sugar, processed sugar, or too much of table salt, as in pastas, in terms, white in terms of, things like maida and all of that. I don't have any of that. Gluten, I avoid dairy. These are the things that I completely avoid. I try and work out every day of my life. What to do, I think everybody, again, whatever works for you, whatever you think, as long as it's some sort of physical activity. You can go to the gym, you can go outdoor, you can go for a run, you can swim, you can, do weight training, yoga, Pilates, whatever you feel, makes you happy, do it. No, not really. I'm not somebody who counts my calories at all. But if you are on a mission to drop a couple of kilos, then you have to count your calories. Favorite healthy munchie would be makhana. See, I'm not such a drinker. I don't enjoy alcohol, but I would say, from what everybody says, it's either a glass of red wine is really good, and tequila is very good as well. It doesn't make you gain weight or bloat. We want women to feel beautiful the way they are. We want to bust all those myths of model stereotypes. Don't want to give in to women feeling pressured to be perceived a certain way. And I think that's the most important. So whether, the whole thing of, oh, you're too tall, or you're too short, or you're too heavy, you're too thin, you're really thin, your skin's not good, all of those things we want to keep away. As long as, and we want to encourage you, and we want to encourage, the person that you are. And as long as we can mold you and show you what it is like to be in front of a camera, then I think we've done something right. Hi everybody, don't forget to watch Supermodel of the Year, because I think this time we have a really amazing lineup of girls and really inspiring story.
Before dinner, I'd have a little bit of bhel also. Properly made, nicely made with like...
chutneys and all.
Not really too many chutneys, but say some fried onions and cucumbers and some tomatoes. It's yum. And then I have my dinner and then I go to sleep. And if after lunch, sometimes I feel like I have an all-in-good dish also some days.
Are there any special diets or ritual you follow while traveling or on sets, or you know, if you have
Not really. If I know that I have to be in a certain shape, then just I avoid carbs. That's all. But other than that, no, I have not. You know, honestly, diets have not worked out for me. It's not like that. I have tried everything in the world. I think when I did keto, I did it about 2 weeks, and then I had a small intestine infection. When I'm not eating rice, I'm such a crabby person. I can't concentrate on anything that's happening. I genuinely feel like you should do something that you can do all your life. Finally, in the last 1.5 years, I have come to, and also my nutritionist, she's really helped me. She's given me these cups of what should be what quantity. So, and I have realized that, you know, not really, if I stick to that, not that I'm losing weight, but I don't put on either. So I have finally found, I think, my balance.
And your cheat meals?
Which also I have 3 times in a week, I think. Fries with piri-piri. Earlier I used to only order from, you know, McDonald's or somewhere else. But now my helps know how to make it. And I just add the piri-piri in it and I have.
Your favorite cuisine?
Bengali food, mummy ke haath ka khana, and Chinese also actually. I love a good Chinese meal. I actually also really love Italian food. Sorry.
Sucker for a pizza?
Pizza, more than pizza, I think it's the pastas. I love the aglio olio fusilli and made in pesto. Oh my god, I can like literally, yeah.
So, lastly, was there any special ritual that you followed for, you know, Brahmastra or Patli Kamari or anything like that?
So, Brahmastra initially, before we started shooting, it was, we had to do some sort of training, and there were people allotted. Kuldeep, in fact, he's one person who helped me out a lot. In fact, I was again battling with a lot of injuries at that very point in time. Patli Kamariya, like I said, I kept at it I was doing my daily exercise practices and just the food bit. I managed for about a week.
Thank you so much, Molly.
Thank you.
It was great talking to you. I think I've known everything about you right now.
Yeah.
Now, I feel that.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for chatting with us. Thank you so much, guys. Comment below and let us know what else would you like to know about Molly, and we'll try to
I don't think they want to know anything more. That's enough.
Thank you so much.